初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I want a cup of black coffee.
I want a cup of black coffee.
我想要一杯黑咖啡。
I want a cup of black coffee.
I want a cup of black coffee.
Can I have a latte with less sugar?
Can I have a latte with less sugar?
我可以要一杯少糖的拿铁吗？
Can I have a latte with less sugar?
Can I have a latte with less sugar?
Do you have cold brew coffee today?
Do you have cold brew coffee today?
你们今天有冷萃咖啡吗？
Do you have cold brew coffee today?
Do you have cold brew coffee today?
I need a cappuccino with extra foam.
I need a cappuccino with extra foam.
我需要一杯多加奶泡的卡布奇诺。
I need a cappuccino with extra foam.
I need a cappuccino with extra foam.
Can this be for takeaway, please?
Can this be for takeaway, please?
这个可以外带吗？
Can this be for takeaway, please?
Can this be for takeaway, please?
I want to have this here in the shop.
I want to have this here in the shop.
我想在店里享用这个。
I want to have this here in the shop.
I want to have this here in the shop.
How much is a cup of mocha?
How much is a cup of mocha?
一杯摩卡多少钱？
How much is a cup of mocha?
How much is a cup of mocha?
Can I add a shot of espresso?
Can I add a shot of espresso?
我可以加一份浓缩咖啡吗？
Can I add a shot of espresso?
Can I add a shot of espresso?
Do you have any fruit tea?
Do you have any fruit tea?
你们有水果茶吗？
Do you have any fruit tea?
Do you have any fruit tea?
I need a glass of iced coffee.
I need a glass of iced coffee.
我需要一杯冰咖啡。
I need a glass of iced coffee.
I need a glass of iced coffee.
Can I get a blueberry muffin with this?
Can I get a blueberry muffin with this?
我可以搭配一个蓝莓马芬吗？
Can I get a blueberry muffin with this?
Can I get a blueberry muffin with this?
Do you have matcha latte here?
Do you have matcha latte here?
你们这里有抹茶拿铁吗？
Do you have matcha latte here?
Do you have matcha latte here?
I want my coffee with no milk.
I want my coffee with no milk.
我的咖啡不要加牛奶。
I want my coffee with no milk.
I want my coffee with no milk.
Can this drink be less sweet?
Can this drink be less sweet?
这杯饮料可以少甜一点吗？
Can this drink be less sweet?
Can this drink be less sweet?
Do you have any vegan options?
Do you have any vegan options?
你们有纯素食选择吗？
Do you have any vegan options?
Do you have any vegan options?
I need a cup of hot chocolate.
I need a cup of hot chocolate.
我需要一杯热巧克力。
I need a cup of hot chocolate.
I need a cup of hot chocolate.
Can I get a straw for my drink?
Can I get a straw for my drink?
可以给我一根吸管吗？
Can I get a straw for my drink?
Can I get a straw for my drink?
How much is the breakfast set?
How much is the breakfast set?
早餐套餐多少钱？
How much is the breakfast set?
How much is the breakfast set?
I want a slice of cheesecake.
I want a slice of cheesecake.
我想要一片芝士蛋糕。
I want a slice of cheesecake.
I want a slice of cheesecake.
Can you make this coffee extra hot?
Can you make this coffee extra hot?
这杯咖啡可以做得特别热吗？
Can you make this coffee extra hot?
Can you make this coffee extra hot?
Do you have orange juice on the menu?
Do you have orange juice on the menu?
菜单上有橙汁吗？
Do you have orange juice on the menu?
Do you have orange juice on the menu?
I need a takeaway cup for this.
I need a takeaway cup for this.
我需要一个外带杯装这个。
I need a takeaway cup for this.
I need a takeaway cup for this.
Can I add some caramel syrup?
Can I add some caramel syrup?
我可以加一些焦糖糖浆吗？
Can I add some caramel syrup?
Can I add some caramel syrup?
Do you have any fresh pastries?
Do you have any fresh pastries?
你们有新鲜糕点吗？
Do you have any fresh pastries?
Do you have any fresh pastries?
I want a cup of American coffee.
I want a cup of American coffee.
我想要一杯美式咖啡。
I want a cup of American coffee.
I want a cup of American coffee.
Can I pay with my mobile phone?
Can I pay with my mobile phone?
我可以用手机支付吗？
Can I pay with my mobile phone?
Can I pay with my mobile phone?
Do you have free Wi-Fi here?
Do you have free Wi-Fi here?
这里有免费 WiFi 吗？
Do you have free Wi-Fi here?
Do you have free Wi-Fi here?
I need a napkin for my dessert.
I need a napkin for my dessert.
我需要一张餐巾纸吃甜点。
I need a napkin for my dessert.
I need a napkin for my dessert.
Can I get a discount for regulars?
Can I get a discount for regulars?
常客有折扣吗？
Can I get a discount for regulars?
Can I get a discount for regulars?
Do you have lemon tea with honey?
Do you have lemon tea with honey?
你们有蜂蜜柠檬茶吗？
Do you have lemon tea with honey?
Do you have lemon tea with honey?
I want my iced coffee with less ice.
I want my iced coffee with less ice.
我的冰咖啡要少冰。
I want my iced coffee with less ice.
I want my iced coffee with less ice.
Can this be packed in a paper bag?
Can this be packed in a paper bag?
这个可以用纸袋打包吗？
Can this be packed in a paper bag?
Can this be packed in a paper bag?
Do you have any gluten-free cakes?
Do you have any gluten-free cakes?
你们有无麸质蛋糕吗？
Do you have any gluten-free cakes?
Do you have any gluten-free cakes?
I need a cup of green tea latte.
I need a cup of green tea latte.
我需要一杯抹茶拿铁。
I need a cup of green tea latte.
I need a cup of green tea latte.
Can I get a receipt for my order?
Can I get a receipt for my order?
可以给我一张订单收据吗？
Can I get a receipt for my order?
Can I get a receipt for my order?
This coffee tastes really good.
This coffee tastes really good.
这咖啡味道真好。
This coffee tastes really good.
This coffee tastes really good.
The cake is fresh and delicious.
The cake is fresh and delicious.
这蛋糕新鲜又美味。
The cake is fresh and delicious.
The cake is fresh and delicious.
I like the atmosphere here so much.
I like the atmosphere here so much.
我非常喜欢这里的氛围。
I like the atmosphere here so much.
I like the atmosphere here so much.
Thank you for your nice service today.
Thank you for your nice service today.
谢谢你今天优质的服务。
Thank you for your nice service today.
Thank you for your nice service today.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。